pretzels. In under 2 minutes, learn how eating them affects blood sugar levels.
What would be the blood sugar response after eating 1 ounce of pretzels? Blood sugar level changes were monitored for 2.5 hours after eating. The peak blood sugar reached 160 milligrams per deciliter, or 8.9 millimoles per liter. This represents an increase of 75 milligrams per deciliter, or 4.2 millimoles per liter from baseline. The high glycemic index of 83, combined with 23 grams of refined carbohydrates, leads to a rapid spike in blood sugar. The low fiber and protein content does little to slow down this response. Eat sparingly and with planning. This food has a significant impact on your blood sugar levels.
Pretzels nutrition facts. 1 ounce, or about 20 mini pretzels, weighs 28 grams, contains 110 calories, 3 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber, 1 gram of fat, 23 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and has a glycemic index of 83. Blood sugar files. Subscribe to learn more how food combinations impact blood sugar levels. These educational estimates are based on metabolic and nutritional data. Individual results can vary. Consult your healthcare provider.